Hi, this is lesson number 07 about how to use OpenGL in Java. So in this lesson I will show you how to implement a new class called world in our engine. In previous lessons we create our own 3D engine and we are using it in our lessons. So let's open Eclipse and create a new lesson. It will be a new package with name lesson 07, and let's copy two files from previous lesson to a new one, lesson 07. So we copied them and they are here in new lesson 07. So what I need to do now, what I have to do now is to create a new class, world 4D. Why not 3-dimensional? Because extra dimension is a time. So our class will implement our also dynamic changes. So you know that 3D includes only x, y, z coordinates, and 4D also includes time. So 3D is static and 4D is dynamic. So properties can change. So let's create an array. It will be public list objects equals to new array list. Okay, and let's create another class object 4D. Inside it we will create public float array of array points. Okay. So we will use this class name here in template, and we used to import this. Let's import it. Okay, all is valid now. What we need to do also is to create a new method which will receive this object. Let's copy a method draw features quad 3f and create a new method draw world 4-dimensional quad 3f. It will receive a world 4D instance and world 4D object. So what we need to do now is create a cycle for int I equals to 0, receive 0, I less than world dot objects dot size I plus plus, and after that we will use this objects field point or get I dot points. Okay, and now we can use this method. So let's comment this one and use our new method. So let's create an object of this world 4D class. It will be world 4D equals to new world 4D object. We need object 4D. It will be object 4D. Let's call it constructor world 4D object 4D dot points. We'll assign here our cube using quads, and after that we will add to the objects array add this object. then we can use this world 4D. So you can see that all is simple. What we have done, we created one class object 4D. After that, we used it in a new class object 4D in world 4D. It has an array field. So after that, we create a new method, draw world 4D quads ref. It uses cycle and calls draw figure ref. So here we created a world 4D object. After that, we created object 4D. Specify that points contains a reference to our cube using quads, and add this to the world. So let's call this a new method. So let's start our application and see how it works. Okay, you see that all is fine now, yeah? Okay, so what I need to do? I want to show you how to easy create a new object. For example, let's create a clone of this one. It will be let's copy and paste this. So object 4D, new points cube using quads, but I don't need to use this because this is a reference to array. I need to copy for int e equals to 0, e less than cube using quads size. What is it? Length e plus plus. Also, we need a j variable for j cycle using quads I j. So here for each point we will do this I j, and I want to divide it by 2, divided by 2. Okay, and if if 2 equals to j, I need to move this to the left by 2. Okay, so, and after that, let's copy this here and here, and after that I will add this to 4D object. So let's start it and see how it works. Oh my god. Let's comment this line. Oh my god. Let's comment these lines and see where we are wrong. Okay. This. Okay. Oh, I see. This is really funny. I will show you why. So what we need to do is to create an array, of course, here really. So it will be new float. Here we will use quads length, and here we will use 3. Okay, or we can use 0 left. So let's start it and see. So I see only one object, and here is another one. You see, yeah? Why is it so? Because we moved this object along z-axis. So if we need to move this object along x-axis, we need to use 0 here, and it is moved along x-axis. Okay. So all is fine now. Okay. You know that there is a group, Facebook groups /Leorandi. You are welcome. You can write your questions there. It is preferred to ask me on Facebook. Also, you can write to on my mails gleorandi@gmail.com and leorandi@mail.ru. So you can visit my website leorandi.com. Thank you very much. Sorry, I'm just a little bit ill because I catch a cold. But okay, see you in the next lessons. Thank you and bye.